Hi, boys and girls. We're gonna do some more pages in our Go Math packet, our new packet that we just started this week. It is chapter 6, Subtraction. And we're gonna do the next couple of pages. Okay, so I am going to take out the pages, 4 pages. It's actually only 2 papers, right? It's just these 2 papers, but if you count the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these pages are going to be so easy today, boys and girls. I might give you some extra. And then I am letting everybody know because we have a new student, Natalie, and her mom might be watching today too. My students should know this because I say it a lot, but these white pages in here, these pages right here, these are the ones that normally would go home for homework. We would do the colored ones in the class, and then these are just an addition, kind of a little review of what we just did. So we're not doing those. The kids are welcome to do them if they want, but they're pretty much exactly what they've done on the colored pages. So I just tear those out and throw those away. So Mrs. Gallup, the other day when I met with you, we had so much to go over that there's a lot of things I forgot. But you're gonna pick up fast, okay? And so will she. All right, so I got my pages out, and I like working on a flat surface, so I'm gonna put it here. Okay, it says, acting out the subtraction problems. So they're gonna show you a picture and let you guys tell a little story. If we were in the classroom, you guys would be sitting in little groups, and I'd call on you and I'd say, you know, who could tell me a story about these children? You think, well, it looks like there were 1, 2, 3 kids in the classroom. They're sitting at a little table. Look at, they're playing with their Unifix cubes. This boy got up and he's walking away. Maybe he's gonna go get something else to play with. Maybe he has to use the restroom or get a drink. So if we were gonna make a subtraction problem out of that, we would say there are 3 children in the classroom. The boy in the orange shirt gets up and he walks away. So if he's walking away, then we know it's take away. It's minus. He's going away. He's not coming to sit down. If we said 2 kids are playing and 1 more comes and sits in the chair, then we're adding. Well, we're not adding. I'm going to put a big X on him, okay? Right on his orange shirt. You might not be able to see that very well. And then down here, all I have to do is trace the numbers. 3 children, take away or minus 1, he's going away, equals 2. And on that page, we don't even have to write the numbers. All we have to do is trace. Now, I really want you to notice most of the kids that have been in our class since August, they're using the lines really well. But everybody needs to try when they write their numbers to touch the lines, right? See how that 3 touches the top, the middle, and the bottom? And the 2 touches the top and the bottom, and the 1 touches the top all the way down to the bottom. So really pay attention to those lines. Okay, here's another story. This time it looks like there were 2 kids at the table. Oh, what are they playing with? Is it Play-Doh? No, oh yeah, I see Play-Doh on the table. How fun, huh? And it looks like the boy and the girl were playing together, but now she gets up. Okay, I think she has to use the restroom. Because look at, she still has her little ducky there that she was playing with. So the story problem would be 2 children are sitting at the table. Okay, the girl in the pink shirt goes away, so we're going to take her away. This time you have to write the answer. So I'm going to put a big X on her shirt just so you get used to doing that. She's going away. We're not adding her, we're taking her away. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. And this is what I'm talking about. My 1 should look just like this one. It should go from the top to the bottom, okay? All right. Oh, let's tell a story about this. Oh, what a nice classroom they have. It's so bright and colorful, right? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 children. Looks like they were playing on the floor with some toys, but these 2 children are walking away. We know they're walking away because they're going bye-bye, right? They're going away, so we're going to X them out. I'm going to X out the girl and the boy. They're going away. Maybe they get to go to the library or somewhere. So if we take these 2 away, how many are left? 2, right? Remember how subtraction is the opposite of addition? So if we were doing addition, if they were waving hello and walking this way, it'd be 2 kids are playing, 2 more kids are going to sit down and play with them, and then there would be 1, 2, 3, 4 all together. But subtraction, we start with the big number. 4 children were playing, 2 of them are going to go away, And so there's going to be 2 left. So when I make my 2, I start here, I curve up and touch the top, slant down, and a straight line on the bottom. So my 2 here should look just like this. It should touch the top all the way down to the bottom. Try really hard, and no backwards 2s, please. If you make it backwards, that's okay. We know everybody does it sometimes, but we want you to fix them. Okay, flip it over. Usually this is our story problem. So up on top, tell a subtraction word problem about the kittens. Trace the numbers and the symbols, write the answer. Okay, I can tell you a story. There's 4. There were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 cats. Okay, here's number 4. Okay, this one is walking away. I think she's hungry. I think she's going to go off and get some milk. So I'm going to trace the numbers. I do not like the way they make their 4. It's supposed to stick out. Okay, so if we take this cat away, I'm putting a bigger X because I don't think you guys could see it. If we take these away, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. You can circle those if you want to. You don't have to. Okay, 3. So I'm going to curve and touch the top, around to the middle, and down to the bottom. My 3 should look like this. Touch the top, the middle, and the bottom. Now down here, it says, draw to show what you know about the subtraction sentence. Write how many are left. So you get to make up your own. So you get to start out with 4 of whatever you want. If you want to do cats, you can. If you want to do dogs, you can. If you want to do emojis, you can. I think I'm going to do flowers. I'm going to start out with 4 flowers. Oh, I could have done cookies, huh? 1. I'm going to make different flowers. I'm not going to make them all the same. That one looks like a daisy. That one looks like a tulip. This is going to be a pretty rose. I might make another daisy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I love my flowers. Okay, so I start out with the total. There are 4 flowers in my garden, but I go into my garden and I pick 3. I take 3 away because I'm going to pick them and take them into my house. So I have to X them out. Oh, I have to X out my pretty flowers. 1, 2, 3. If I take 3 away, if I take these 3 away, how many are left? 1. Okay, so I did this whole page with you guys. It's not going to take you very long. Look, there's only 1 problem on each page, 2 problems on this page. Now, if you're thinking, wow, this math has been easy, and man, it's only taken me 5 minutes to do, and you want to do some extra problems, just get out your whiteboard, and maybe you can make up some by yourself. So let's do, I like that flower one, but how about hearts? I'm going to make one up. I'm going to say there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts. Okay, now I'm not going to add any more because we're not doing addition. I'm going to take the, so I better start with my 6 down here. Okay, I drew 6 hearts. Okay, and then I took 3 away. So I'm going to X, X, X. I'm going to take those away. You could erase them, but then if you take a picture of this, I want to be able to see what you did. So, okay, so this is my number sentence that goes with it. We start with 6. We minus or take away 1, 2, 3, and then how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do is, let me do a couple more. Let's do happy faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got a good idea. I'm going to put 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. It'll make it look like it's in a 10 frame. All right, let's go ahead and do 10. Okay, I've got 10 happy faces. And how many should I take away? Should we take away all 5? So I'm going to X those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to write that down. It's like you're doing, whatever you do, you record it. We started with 10. We're going to minus 5 or take away 5. If we take all those away from the bottom, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I want you guys to do, if you don't have to, this is optional, but if you're thinking, wow, I really want to do more math today, you can make up a couple of story problems on your board, take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay? All right. Have fun doing your math.